Hello creative people, welcome back to the brand new video by mhrabby. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool site where you can create your own custom logo design without any graphic design knowledge. So guys, we'll create a video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. Visit the logo maker page from Designhill. I'll give you all the links in the description down below, so feel free to check them out. Let's start with the company name. Now pick 5 design style you like from the list below. Now click on continue. Then select the logo color. Also you can skip this step. Now type out the slogan here. Then select the industry category and your budget. Now click on continue. Now search and add up to 5 symbols you like for the logo. Now click on continue and your logo will be generated. Now you have a huge collection of logo to look at. Choose the best one for you. After you choose one, then you can edit the logo. You don't need any design knowledge to edit this logo. Give some time until you get the best logo design. After your editing is complete, you can see how your logo will look on different products like business cards, t-shirts, billboards, bags, and etc. When everything looks good to you, buy the logo for a simple payment. You will get the basic logo file for $20. But I'll recommend you to go with the premium one because you will get all the files you will need in future. You can download the sample to check how the final download project will look like. You will get EPS, PDF, PNG and SVG files, also another PDF file for all the logo information. Also, you can choose some add-ons like t-shirt design, business card design, and many more. You can pay through PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. So after everything looks good to you, make the payment and download the project file. So guys, I really hope I have given you a clear knowledge about Designhill logo maker. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, have some fun. I'll see you guys in next one.